Welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will learn how to install the current SciPy version on Jupyter Notebook in Anaconda. So let us start. Here is our Jupyter Notebook. Go to the desktop. We already have a folder, Amit project. Within this we will create a new notebook which will have .ipynb extension. That means a Jupyter Notebook. Click new, click Python 3. Now let us rename it. I'll click untitled, fifth underscore notebook. Extension is .ipynb for any notebook in Jupyter Notebook. Click rename. Now let us use the pip to install SciPy. So pip is a package manager to download, install and manage Python packages and libraries. So this is the command. Click run cell. So guys, this is how we can install the SciPy package. So now let us print the version. I'll first import SciPy and use an alias using AS. So let's say SP is an alias. So I'll use SciPy now. That means the alias dot underscore underscore version to print the current version. I will add this inside the print method which is used to print in Python. So what will be the output? The following 1.15.3, that is the SciPy version. Click run and here it is. We successfully printed 1.15.3. For free Python tutorials, refer to the link in the description of the video. We have also added free notes. So this was our fifth notebook. Let us see the location. It was on the desktop under the Amit project folder, and here it is, fifth notebook.ipynb. So this is how we can install the SciPy package. Thank you for watching the video.